Let's. Another story time.
How I was initiated into a gang for 3 hours against my will. A little backstory. It was this popular, like, well-known girl gang in my area. Now, I'm not going to say their name because I don't know if they still exist, and I don't want no smoke, okay? Please, hold the smoke. But we're going to call them the What's Up Honeys. And when I say they was well-known, like, there was over 50 to 60 members in every high school. So, boom, one day I get out of class, I see my friend. She's smiling from ear to ear. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited, too, because I think she about to tell us we going to the curry out for lunch. So I'm looking goofy right along with her, smiling, ready to give her my order, baby. I want 3 wings with fries. I want mumbo sauce on the wings, and I want salt, pepper, ketchup on the fries with a strawberry kiwi misting. Period. Your girl likes to eat. Now, I don't know if she was on a power trip or what, but I'm sure you can imagine the disbelief and confusion on my face when she walked over to me talking about something, we in a gang. I said, girl, what? Now, I'm not going to tell you the real name she chose for the gang, even though I actually could, because, baby, that thing was dissolved so fast, it's not even a remnant left. But just for good measure, I'll call it the On the Map Honeys. So long story short, she telling me that she put this gang together because we about to go against the What's Up Honeys. Who? Now, just a little backstory about me in high school. I'm not somebody who need to be surrounded by a lot of people, baby. I didn't even like people that much to be surrounded by them. So you would probably just see me with like 1 or 2 people, and that was enough for my tolerance. So something in me was still very curious. I still wanted to know more. So I was like, well, you said it's a gang. Who else in the gang? She talking about something, it's just me and you.
A gang of 2. That's
now,
not like a couple to me.
When I know that I'm right. But if you in a gang, ain't you supposed to have several members?
Exactly.
I ain't never seen no gang with 2. Baby, this is a pair. Baby, this is giving 1, 2, skip a few. Baby, it's giving any, mini, money, mo. Okay, you done just added a title to a friendship. So I'm like, no.
You done added a title to a friendship. It's hilarious.
She talking about something, well, I'm going to ask such and such if she want to join. Child, I was honestly perplexed. I said, not bibbity bobbity boo. Baby, she is a bimbo. No, for real. Like, I ain't even trying to be rude. I've literally seen her walk in a straight line to her house, to her residency, something she does every day, and fall, nothing in her way, and then had a nerve to roll like tumbleweed. I said, girl, her equilibrium is messed up. We need somebody who is light on their toes, okay? Steady in their steps. Talking about something on the map. Baby, we off the grid messing with that one. Child, she asked her anyway. I said, look, I'm going to go ahead and head back to class, and that's exactly what I did. Child, because honestly, I was recruited by default, and this really don't got nothing to do with me. Do as you will. So I'm in class at this point, and word is circulating faster than the girl in the boys' bathroom. Everybody whispering, it's a new girl gang. It's a new girl gang. Why, you may ask? Because my friend in Bibbity is in the hallway singing T.I. ASAP song. A nigga try to play me, I'ma blow him off the map. ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. You know the lyrics. One thing I can say is that it was honestly courageous. Now I know why that lion on the whiz.
Oh, what just happened, man? Oh, that was corny.